Hi, I'm Lindsay Smith, creator of foodmoodgirl.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make peanut butter cookies using brown rice syrup. In order to make this recipe, you'll need the following ingredients: 1.5 cups of almond meal, 1 cup of peanut butter, 1 egg, 1/4 of a teaspoon baking soda, and 3/4 of a cup of brown rice syrup. The first step to this recipe is to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once we're done preheating the oven, we're going to add all of our liquid ingredients to a bowl and mix them until they're nice and smooth. Next, we're going to combine our dry ingredients and slowly mix them into our smooth and creamy batter. Once you mix the flour in, it should start to form a nice solid dough ball. We're going to now take teaspoons of the ball and roll them onto a non-stick, lightly greased baking sheet and bake them for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the bottoms are lightly browned. Now that our cookies are evenly spread on our baking sheet, we're going to bake them for about 10 to 15 minutes on 350 degrees until the bottoms are lightly browned. I'm Lindsay Smith, creator of foodmoodgirl.com, and that's how to make peanut butter cookies using brown rice syrup.